is almost like 70% of your whole film. No matter how great the visual is, you need that piece to make it sound nice. And guess what? Today, I am going to show you how to do that absolutely for free as at the time of recording this video. Let's take a look at this sample. Pay attention to the sound and how the music is generally being used in this cinematic footage. Before I get into this, you need to make sure to watch this video till the end, because the most important part as to how you can go about using these songs in your commercial projects or in your social media projects, I've kept that information towards the end, which is a very important part in terms of how you can use this song and still make money from it without running into issues. So stick around for all that. All we do is just come to your browser and open Google. Once Google is opened, just come in here and type in Gemini, and then we enter. And we of course want to open this particular window. Now, here is where all the magic happens. A lot of people have not even taken notice that you can now create free music all within Gemini for free. Whether you are on the free plan or whichever plan that you are, you can now go ahead and create your music. All we need to do here, first of all, is just to click create music here, or alternatively, we can click here tools, and then we can come to create music. So these are the two variations, or these are the two options that you can use in this particular regard. Now, before we even click on that, you and I may not be professional musicians. So we need to get an idea. How do we want this to sound? And this is where prompting comes in. There are different ways we can go around generating prompts for such a project. I'm going to show you two other ways that I go around this. First option is here. Now, I want to create this kind of humming voice where the person is kind of crying in the background, like the person is lamenting or some form of humming. Now, the musician who is popularly known for doing this a lot for me is the musician Enya. So I would ask it, do you know Enya's style of singing where there are no lyrics, but the person seems to be crying or lamenting sorrowfully? What is this type of cinematic music called? And how can I prompt to create something similar in Gemini? In real time, this is how I mostly go about writing my prompts. I hardly don't use any sort of AIs in this process, right? So let's go ahead and quickly correct the mistakes here. So let's take it from fast and then we put it on thinking. Right away, let's click on submit. It is now going to tell us exactly what the style of music is, because I don't know. I am not a musician, but I know what I want, I know how it sounds, and I know what will move me in this particular regard. So let's see what it comes with over here. That specific style of wordless, sorrowful singing is mostly accurately called a vocalize. Interesting. But in the world of film and TV, it is often categorized as cinematic lament or ethereal world vocal. When it sounds like crying, it is frequently influenced by Dodri or Celtic lament tradition, where the singer uses a keening technique, a high-pitched wailing vocal used historically at Irish wakes to express grief. And at the end of it all, it has generated a prompt right down here. Here is a suggestion on how to write a prompt. A cinematic lament featuring a solo female vocalist, humming, hunting ethereal and melancholy mood. No lyrics, only wordless R or O vowels. Heavy cathedral reverb, slow tempo, layered vocal harmonies in the style of Enya, atmospheric synth pad, and a lonely solo silo in the background. 65 BPM. And these are technical details I wouldn't even pretend I understand. And that is the power of AI, guys. And this is what we can do at this particular point in time. Now, for people who are sketchy about AI and copyright, having Enya's name here might be a little bit sketchy here and there, but let's see what we get. So let's go ahead and copy this prompt over here. Right click on it and say copy. And still in the same chat, all I am going to do here is to come here and paste it here and make sure that this time around I change it to music, right? And let's go ahead, leave it on thinking, and then let's go ahead and click on submit. And let's see what we are going to get. Our track is finally ready. Let's see what we do have here. I'm speechless. From just a few clicks, we have a cinematic sound. Guys, there is absolutely no excuse not to create cinematic stuff these days because this is absolutely difficult to create in real life. I am no music professional and I will not even pretend I can even ever dream of creating something like this at the current state of my knowledge. My knowledge is very limited once it comes to music. But like I keep saying, I know what sounds right. Now, in terms of the copyright of this, you can use this absolutely for free in your projects and you wouldn't run into any problem theoretically. Now, what you cannot do here when you generate sounds in Gemini is to claim that the music is yours or going to a traditional copyright center to try to copyright the song as your own. That would not work out for you. But if you're just a social media creator and you want to use this for your video, from my experience and looking at what is existing already, you are free to do so without running into any challenges. So go ahead, use this technique, create cinematic music for all your YouTube videos or for all your social media content. I'm very excited to see what you guys will be able to create with this particular knowledge. Before I leave you, I am going to take you through another bonus way of doing this. For example, if you have watched a movie that you really liked the score so much, you can still come here and prompt and ask Gemini to give you a score that sounds very similar to this particular movie in this particular scene. Now, like everything AI, the limitations here are going to be that if it's not a very popular movie that AI may know, then you are going to run into challenges. But hey, if it is a popular movie, then you are absolutely safe. Let me go ahead and create a sample for you to see about a scene in the movie Troy, which I watched somewhere around 2004. Here is how I would go about creating a score similar to that using this Gemini technique. And at one part of it where Hector was killed, I had them playing this cinematic sound. So based on that, I wanted to recreate it. Help me write a prompt to create a cinematic music for a film similar to the scene where Hector dies in the 2004 movie Troy. Now, at this particular point in time, there's a tendency that since we are creating something similar, it is going to add some form of lyrics to it. But if you observe, it is just some form of woman crying, humming. I don't know how you call that, right? So I'm going to describe that and try to see if the AI can help us get that. Do not put in any lyrics, just the woman sound, humming, cry, just like the Troy version. In this particular case, let's make sure it is on thinking. These are various models that you can use, but I'm just going to keep it on thinking here. And then let's go ahead and click on submit. So now what it's going to do is that it's going to create a prompt for us that is going to help us be able to create that music that is similar to what we heard in Troy. It even went ahead straightforward to craft the prompt and decided to create the music, even though we didn't even select the music. And that is the power of Gemini. Sometimes you don't even need to select the music button, but it already understands that after creating the prompt, you're going to use it for the music. And that is exactly what it has done right here. So let's go ahead and play it and see if this sounds anything similar. to what we heard in the Troy version.
Hums a mournful melody filled with sorrow. Hums the melody breaking with quiet sobs and grief-stricken breaths.
Even though I prompted for no lyrics, I ended up having some form of lyrics here. So sometimes these are the challenges, but going through refining it, you may end up with something that works really amazing. This is the Africa Amaze channel, and over here we do talk about cinematography, photography, editing, and all its related branches. We also try AI tools and talk about how to use AI ethically, including using it in the hybrid way. If all this sounds interesting, please make sure to click on the subscribe button. Please make sure to turn on the post notification bell so you are notified anytime I drop awesome content like this right here from the continent of Africa. Now, with all this knowledge, it is still about English songs, English vocals, and all that. But there is a way you can go about creating any song in any local language across the world and use it in your AI movies or your traditional movies. Listen to this particular pattern.
Kusone kibia mani kange mo fene manuran wale arko mengni arko enani akwa.
These are lyrics in my local language called Gonja from where I stay here in the West African country of Ghana. AI doesn't know Gonja, but I was able to use AI to create a Gonja song. Now, if you do want me to make a separate video on this because it requires another tool altogether to be able to do this, let me know in the comment section below and I'll create a video on how exactly to go about creating AI music in any local language in the world. Until next time, as always, guys, let me catch you in this video where I talk about how to create AI films step by step. Keep practicing filmmaking. Peace out.